Everyone, Namaste. I'm Navya. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I would like to welcome you all teachers to one of the most innovative and successful idea sharing platforms, ZII AI. In this platform, we will be discussing about the different lessons which can be taught in a new and innovative ways, innovative ideas, using new and innovative ideas to have a fun and interesting way to kids. Here we will be discussing on NCERT board subject EVS class 3 from topic from here to there. Generally this lesson from here to there talks about the different concepts and experiences on traveling through a poem. The innovative idea which we will be using to explain and revise the concept today is word sea. This word sea talks about the complete explanation and understanding of the words which are there in that particular concept, which we can name it as a word power. The students will have a word power using this concept, using this innovative idea. As I told you, this word sea can be taught in two different methods, building and revision kind of a methods. First of all, we will see how a building activity can be done in the classroom in order to explain the concept. The required materials for this is a box, colorful chart papers, scissors and a tape, and also a small sheets. Now, before we talk about the teacher and also a glass of water. The teacher, when she enters into the classroom, she will be taking up a glass of water and she will place in the classroom and she will be asking, what is this, students? What do you find in this? The students will start responding, glass of water. Then she will ask the students, where do you find more water? Then she'll be saying, the students will answer, it is in my home or in my pot or something like that. Educator will extend her questions like, where do you find even more water than this? Than your home and pot. Then the students will start giving a response like pond, river, sea. Then the teacher will ask the students what is meant by sea. The students will start giving response like huge water, collection of huge water which is there in the sea. Okay, then the teacher will extend and take an initiation in asking the students what is meant by word sea. Then the students will try to respond, collection of more words or huge words together, they'll start responding in this way. Then she'll try to interlink the concept, modes of transport, travel. Ideas covered under this innovative method is a mode of transport and travel within the locality and beyond and need for travel. Then she will relate to the students from here to their lesson to this word sea. Then she will ask the students to imagine the box. She will ask the students to first of all decorate the box. They'll start decorating with the chart papers and she will place it as a nameplate word sea to that particular box. Then she will be asking the students to move the box on a floor and she will ask that imagine this box is a vehicle which is going on a road. What can you name this as? Where the box is moving. She will start moving the box on a floor and she will ask where the box is moving. Then the students will try to answer it is moving on a floor, it is moving on a desk or something. Then she will start asking, okay, what will be the modes of transport which is on the road? Just imagine this as a road. Then they'll start sharing about the bus, car and all. Then she will pick up the box and she will try to move it on air. Then she will be asking the question where this box is moving. Then they'll say in air. Okay, airways is a concept which has been introduced. Then she will be saying that if I move this box on a water, where it is moving, the box is moving where? That is in the water waves. Like this, the students will start, explaining about different modes of transport. Next comes with the teacher will take an initiation in explaining about different modes of transport and what are the vehicles which have been associated with it. Now comes to revising part. When the students try to revise the concept, the teacher will be asking the students to have chits. Okay, a set of empty blank or chits or papers with them. Then the teacher will be asking the students, write about all the vehicles in your mind. More vehicles if you write, try to compare with others, they'll be writing more. So you have to write all the vehicles which you know. Then the students will start writing one to one all the vehicles in that sheet. Now everybody will drop it in that box, word C box. So the teacher will be calling one to one students and pick up a sheet and read out loud all the vehicles which are there or mentioned in that sheet. This activity continuation, it will go until every child gets a chance to read out the sheet. With this, the students will able to know the modes of transportation. At the same time, they'll also know all the vehicles which are used and modes of transport. When they are reading out all the vehicle names, they need to even say the mode of transport which that vehicle is being used. Car, mode of transport is roadways. Train, railways. Ship or boat, waterways. Aeroplane or helicopter, airways. Like this, the students will start reading it very loud. Everybody, until it completes, every one turn is completed, then the teacher will continue this activity. This activity, word C, helps the students in learning up this concept or lesson from here to there. I hope that you like this video. Please like and share ZII EI. Thank you very much.